Today I'll be testing 15 different bug and tar removers to see which one does the best job of removing bugs from your vehicle's paint. As you can see, bug deposits can be very stubborn, even when spraying a 2400 psi power washer 2 inches away from the bumper, so having the right chemicals can make cleaning your vehicle much easier. For this test, I taped off the bumper into sections for each product and will also be applying bug remover onto the grille and painted mirror covers. The tests were conducted in the shade on cool paint, and I am using a clean microfiber towel for each product. I first started with Turtle Wax Power Foam Bug and Tar Remover. It sprays a very clingy and thick foam. Activation can be as short as 1 minute for spot cleaning or 3 minutes for tar removal. After another application, the surface was almost completely clean. Turtle Wax also sells a pump spray tar and bug remover, which comes out as a thick white liquid that clings to bugs and paint. Activation time is 1 minute. After the first application, there was still a lot of bug residue left, so I applied another coating of bug remover and waited a minute. After this second application, there was still a lot of bug residue remaining. RainX Bug and Tar Pre-Wash Gel comes in a 23-ounce bottle and is supposed to be applied 3 to 5 minutes before washing the vehicle to allow the gel to soak into the bugs. I waited the full 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gel did a good job of holding onto the surface and removed most of the bug residue. A few specks were left behind though. A second application would be helpful, but washing the vehicle afterwards might completely remove any remaining residue. You might not have heard of the Sonax brand before. It's a German company and its line of products are available on Amazon. The activation time is 3 to 5 minutes, and I used the full 5 for this test. Removing the bugs was very easy, and the results were amazing for a one-time application, with only very few tiny specks remaining. The 3D brand is an American company that caters to the professional detailer, and its products are available on Amazon. The bug remover comes in a 16-ounce pump spray bottle and contains enzymes that break down bug residue. Activation time is 1 minute. The spray did an excellent job with only a few specks left behind that probably could have been removed with better wiping since they were near the green separation tape. Any remaining spray needs to be rinsed off to neutralize the enzymes and cleaning chemicals left behind. Armor All Bug and Tar Remover comes in a 16-ounce bottle and sprays out in a thick liquid that adheres to the bugs well. Activation time is 1 minute. After the first application, it did a mediocre job, leaving behind more residue on the paint and textured trim than previous products. A second application for 1 minute completely removed all the bug residue. Overall, this is a very good result for 2 applications. Griots Garage Bug and Smudge Remover comes in a 22-ounce bottle and sprays out clear and runny. After the 30-second activation time, it started to dry out, which resulted in bug deposits that were not thoroughly soaked. The bug remover did a mediocre job removing bug residue, as some of the more stubborn bug remains were still visible. A second application would be necessary. Pro Elite Bug and Tar Remover comes in a 16-ounce bottle and sprays out clear with an oily consistency. The instructions just state to apply the spray to a microfiber towel and to rub an area until the residue is lifted. This method got very poor results, so I sprayed the bumper and let the liquid soak in for 1 minute. Even after soaking, the results were still mediocre, with multiple bug deposits present on the paint and trim. Lifter 1 Bug and Tar Remover comes in a 16-ounce aerosol can and sprays out as a thick white liquid that adheres to the paint very well. It has an activation time of 30 seconds. The first application only removed the lightest bug deposits, and the second application barely helped, only removing some medium deposits while heavy bug residue remained. Meguiar's Bug and Tar Remover comes in a 15-ounce aerosol can and sprays out a thick foam that clings onto the surface very well for the 5-minute activation time. The application did a mediocre job, leaving behind multiple bug deposits. A second or third application should completely remove all residue. Mother's Speed Foaming Bug and Tar Remover comes in a large 18.5-ounce aerosol can, sprays out as a thick foam, and has a short activation time of only 30 seconds. After the first application, many of the larger bug deposits remained, but on the second application, almost all the bug residue was gone except for a few specks. Stoner bug eraser wipes are infused with agents designed to soften and remove bugs while lubricating the paint finish. The package comes with 10 6-inch by 6-inch wipes and is available at Lowe's and Amazon. The microfiber material is activated with 2 ounces of water and soaks up during the cleaning process. Bug removal was amazing with this product, and it looks like 99% of the deposits came off. You probably need 2 or 3 wipes to clean the entire front clip on a heavily soiled vehicle. I wanted to see if a solvent-based product such as Stoner Tar and Sap Remover would work on bug deposits. Even though it is made out of strong chemicals, it does not rehydrate or loosen bugs, and barely made a noticeable difference after waiting 30 seconds. I'll try it out later in a video on removing tar and road grime. Goo Gone Automotive Goo and Sticker Remover Spray Gel uses citrus oils to loosen various adhesives and contamination, but does not specifically mention bug deposits on the bottle. Even after a 3-minute activation time, you can still see the shadows of larger bug remains. I'll be trying it out as a tar remover in another video, which I'll link to in the description below. Another alternative product I tried is Rustoleum Wax Tar Remover to see if it will be effective on removing bug deposits. After a 30-second activation time, it had similar results as Goo Gone. It took off the surface bug remains, but the hard to remove large deposits were still left behind. Finally, I wanted to test Mothers and Sonax on each heavily bug-stained headlight. Mothers did a decent job removing almost all the deposits by the second application, with only fine specks remaining. Sonax did an excellent job with one application that removed 95% of bugs on the first go. A second application should completely remove all residue. After all of these tests, I think that the best aerosol products are Mothers and Turtle Wax due to their clingy foaming action, which achieves very good results after 2 applications. Sonax Insect Remover and 3D Bug Remover are tied for the best pump spray product since they do the most thorough cleaning jobs, leaving behind very little bug residue after only 1 application. Finally, there is Stoner's Bug Eraser. These wipes are amazing and remove almost all the bugs on first use. If there are any deposits remaining, you can just go scrub the spot again instead of having to respray and wait for the activation time to finish. I have links to all the products in the description below. Let me know which ones work for you best or if you have any questions. I also made a video testing how good these products are at removing tar, so check it out. I have it linked in the end screen. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.